Struggling to memorize glycolysis? Too many enzymes and intermediates. Now, let's memorize glycolysis easily. Use this sentence to remember the intermediates of the glycolytic pathway. Good girls fry fresh dodo, grind beans, pound, pound, pound. Where good stands for glucose, girls stands for glucose 6-phosphate, fry stands for fructose 6-phosphate, fresh stands for fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, dodo stands for dihydroxyl acetone phosphate, grind stands for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, beans stands for 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, pound stands for 3-phosphoglycerate, pound stands for 2-phosphoglycerate, pound stands for phosphoenol pyruvate, and pound stands for pyruvate. Now use this sentence to also remember the enzymes of the glycolytic pathway. Happy people play around the great purple palm every play day. Where happy stands for hexokinase, then people stands for phosphoglucose isomerase, play stands for fructose kinase 1, around stands for aldolase, D stands for triose phosphate isomerase, great stands for glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, purple stands for phosphoglycerate kinase, palm stands for phosphoglycerate mutase, every stands for enolase, and Play-D stands for pyruvate kinase. Now, there are 3 irreversible enzymes that control glycolysis. These are the hexokinase, the phosphofructokinase 1, and the pyruvate kinase. Just remember HK, PFK, PK. Now, if you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thank you.